Hi, it's Cameron here from MotorServ UK. This is video number 2 for our maintenance and tip series that we've been doing. Basically, in September, which is a very, very busy month for MOTs, we actually conducted 358 MOTs, so we did a hell of a lot of MOTs. Fortunately, because of where we're based and the types of cars that we see, we've got less than 20% failure rate, which is really, really good. So those cars that failed, we've looked through the stats, and one of the biggest failure rates is actually tyres. So people are bringing cars in for their MOT and their tyres are basically below legal limit or approaching legal limit, and they're getting advisories and fails on their MOT. This is something that you should be checking quite regularly, one for safety, secondly for obviously to make sure you're legal on the road. But the problem is a lot of us don't actually know what we're looking for, and we don't actually know what we should be checking. So Aaron, who's one of our senior technicians over here at our Solihull branch, he's just going to quickly show us, using some of his little gizmos and tools, exactly what we should be looking for and exactly how to do it. So over to you, mate.
So first of all, you will need a tread depth indicator. We can supply these through ourselves, or you can find them online for a matter of £3 or less. So you want to be facing the tyre towards yourself so you can see the tread. Just turn the steering. So we get down to the same level as the tyre. Now you're looking for the innermost 75% for an MOT. So the outer wall doesn't matter, although it is bad if it does get a bit low. So you get your tread depth indicator, you put it inside the tread. It will give you a reading in millimetres or inches. This one's in millimetres, this one reads 4 mil. Now the legal limit to pass an MOT is 1.6 millimetres. But that is just for the centre. As you can see, on the outside of the tyre, it is a bit lower, but that's just natural. Nothing to worry about. Now, we're going to turn the alloy just to face us, because we're looking for any marks to the damages to the valve or the alloy itself. So here's your valve right here, and cracks can occur here. That will let pressure out and deflate your tyre. Same with your alloy, you can get cracked alloys. This alloy is perfect, nothing wrong with it, no scratches or anything, no big cracks. So that's all okay. Onto the rear now, if you'd like to follow me. So the rear tyre looks pretty well looked after, looks brand new. That is reading 6.5 millimetres. So that's nearly a brand new tyre. Again, with this tyre, even though it is a newish tyre, the outer edges are a bit lower. But like I said, that's all natural. So as long as your tyre is in 1.6 millimetres, there's no excessive cracking or perishing to the tyre, you should be okay. And remember to look for the damages to your alloy and your valves, and you should be all okay.